Hello, it's Mr. Ted the Lego Guy, and check out this new Lego Animal Crossing set that's out for 2025. It's called Stargazing with Celeste. That my mum had got it out of Amazon. You see the box is... Does you see the box is felt so hard as I feel it. So in the set, there is this place of the island. You can see it has the buildable pine tree and some purple flowers. And there is also this buildable yellow moon in a crescent shape. So it would be a great idea if I can put this custom playable Animal Crossing villager, so he looks like he's sitting on the moon. Looks similar to the DreamWorks logo. And there is this picnic rug in front. You can see it has the white teapot, the teacup, the cupcake, and a candlestick. And on this blue plate, small plate of the Super Mario sets, it had these star pieces. And there's this buildable star fragment piece. So the playable villagers can collect it to do some DIY products to make. And I wonder if I can find these other small pyramid Lego pieces on Pick-a-Brick, so I could do these different coloured star fragment pieces in different names for this set. So it came with this buildable telescope so that the playable villagers can place it anywhere on the island, just like it based on the game Animal Crossing New Horizons. So if they can look, they can pretend if they can look out for any shooting stars. So if they can make a wish by looking up and pressing the A button so the villagers can make a wish as the shooting star went past. Until the next day, you will find these different coloured star fragments on the shore of the beach. And here's the single minifigure of Celeste the owl. You see, Celeste was red, so he has black and white wings. It's the printed light red and white squares on its tummy, and the back that has the printed tail. And she also has a pink Lego Friends bow hair accessory on her head, so the people at Lego Company can use the Lego Friends bow hair accessory to use as her bow. And she was holding a book about stars at night, or a book about stargazing. So she likes stars at night, that she wakes up at night and she falls asleep during daytime. When she went home after she wanders round the island, if the playable villager can talk to her when she gives a DIY recipe. And it also came with this booklet, so that's how you can build it up. As you can see, it also shows two of these other new Lego Animal Crossing sets there's out for 2025. Well, soon I think I should get this Able Sisters tailor shop and Levis's caravan that came with Poppy. Well, these 3 new Lego Animal Crossing sets for 2025 still don't come with any playable villagers. Well, maybe this summer they're going to release more of these Lego Animal Crossing sets, and I hope it came with any minifigures of playable villagers. But if they don't, you can customize your minifigures or any other minifigures or mini-doll figures to use as playable villagers. For the set that came with the spare mug, if the playable villager can have tea with Celeste, the owl. While they're having a picnic at night to look out for shooting stars. So that's it on my review on Stargazing with Celeste. So I'll be back for another video soon. See ya!